Thanks for watching the H2O Boca Festival.
You guys have fun?
There's allegations every time we do this show that there's a bunch of people peeing in the water. For the Habitat for Humanity. Huh?
You can't get yourself.
Somebody else stubs their toe on it like I did.
And enjoy the
No.
H2O Fest. Now, we love when you guys are out here.
It's fun to stay at the YMCA. It's fun to stay at the YMCA.
Uh-oh. Now they're caught up with somebody over there. Right?
Hell yeah, brother. Dave from American Made. Give it a pull.
We people ain't wanting to cause I ain't I grab my plate.
assume that in a crowd this big, there are probably some veterans out there.
right hand, that I will not pee in the water anymore from here on out, right? I swear that I will not pee in the water from here on out.
So, American Made does a lot of social.
So freaking gross that we just all stand out here and pee in the water. But can I just say for everybody, we don't pee in the water, right? Nobody's peeing. Nobody's peeing in the water.
Enjoying some great music from DJ Jack Williams.
Oh, damn.
If you
That's a very easy, low maintenance way to get out here.
For real, dude, it's not far. Like, you don't have to paddle hard. You're not struggling at all. You're just coasting right over here.
I don't know about the shirt. Why would you rip the shirt off? Spot. Then he took a bit of jail. What do you got, though? And then he took a bit of jail. You got a very thin, slender. What would be the attraction? I don't know what the attraction.
I'm sorry. I think it's Suffolk County. Yeah.
A cooler full of beer on a raft. This drone is pulling,
and it's tethered to that little raft with a cooler full of beer, taking it to those people.
So what was the storm that devastated this area?
Well, Ian really made a number a couple of years ago.
Yeah.
And then this last two that went back to back.
Helene, yeah.
He brought about, in some areas of downtown, 3 feet of sand.
Oh, wow.
Like sand. That's made in Oregon. They have big ass kitchen tails. Really good.
If you could please, and also y'all. And once again, ladies and gentlemen, you can win a nice big Yeti cooler. The guy with the t-shirt cannon here.
Conch Republic over here.
Say they know a dad provides.
We're waiting on
So this next tune, I need some help out there. Can you help me sing this tune?
Song. Come on, come on, come on. Okay.
Where's Brian? Brian's here to kick off the auctioning. Also,
Yeah, brother. How was it? Is that where you want some combos?
how y'all doing out there? And might I add, I'm enjoying a Buzz Me Up as we speak.
Crab.
Oh yeah, get your finger pinched.
Huh? $36.50?
Sea urchin.
Sticking straight up out of the sand like that. Step my foot.
Stabbed you?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I got that. Thanks for watching the Boca H2O Festival.
Yeah. So we're at the boat ramp. We've been waiting for probably about 20, 25 minutes.
I got pissed on that.
Drop the drinks off? Just randomly? It seemed like it got to you guys pretty easy, but it's struggling to get back now. Yeah, it's moving now. See, up. Can't be no dilly dallying at the boat.